What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As what I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are doing it. I don't know what they upon the final day. Yeah, as what I said, the final day. We are going up on a little thing called must leave for a contract break thing. So we was there and we just gonna show now. The clippings of what we do on the final day. You see me? So as what I say. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Go out here. We are do it. Yeah. So basically, what does as we said before, just show on some little clip of what we do. So stay tuned. Yeah, man, you know, so I be ready upon the soup today. Upon the case. Same man, Shelly soup and thing. So I chef for me always show me I work with. So don't know me I got so new chef step in. I want to name is a tell well so we just stay and just finish run out today. Cause tomorrow what? Vacation so we just do it. Yeah, now we do some home style chicken. So we did make the sauce. Some Chinese roast and thing. Yeah. Then we have some cowhead on the menu. Some brown stew beef. Yeah. Some esco fish. So we are doing right now I just throw off a stock off of the chicken. Yeah man, really I got miss right to so still. Yeah, I miss it. But I don't know nobody need rest, so we have to get everything together. Rest up, fresh up and come back. Brand new for the new year. Back on the work and thing. Anyways, as me and son can look out for videos same way. Cause we still got our videos coming. Recipe and some family time meds and things. So yeah man, and one thing for sure we gotta clean down we baby cause I don't know see how often here we baby twin. Yeah man. As mother say we are clean her down, put on her white clothes and thing. As mother tell my brethren. You see me? As mother tell the chef, we are clean her down. So we just done up work and clean her down today. So we are all our maids to the same way. Counting down the hours and the minutes to go home and get some rest. Yep. So as we said, some Chinese roast we are doing now. So we are brushing back the stock on it because we don't want the chicken to dry out. So that's the reason why we always brush on back the stock on the chicken. I don't know. And then the same flavor will go back in the chicken. Yeah, and you can eat up, you gotta eat me up, cause I don't know where to do Q&A first, Q&A. I drop the first Q&A. Alright, this is our fish we have fry up and all, so I don't know we done fry up the fish. We are gonna make the esco sauce. This are the sauce me I tell you about, this are the home style sauce somebody there work on. Natural blend up seasoning with ketchup and thing. Chinese roast. I tell you lighting kinda set away so we have fixed that still so So as I tell you, we do the Chinese roast. We do the esco fish. We do the home style chicken. So we garnish the home style. So all I use I know julienne some carrot, but we are julienne the carrot them big. And then we use baby corn. Yeah, baby corn. What I use with sweet pepper. Yeah, just to bring up the color and thing. Use the sweet pepper for garnish it. So I substitute the sweet pepper for some cucumber. Cause we just want to get that nice color what we look for. So the thing eye appeal as well. Ever I said this in our video, them eye appeal. I don't know people eat with them eye before. So yeah, we are jump right back into the fish thing and also. So we esco sauce already and flick on. This our chicken clip, clip. Chicken that home style done and thing. Fry it in the fryer. We don't use no flour, we just fry it in the fryer. Because we do it in a bulk, so we just drop it in the fryer and fry it. Sauce gone on it and now. Home style ready and for eat and thing. Ready for serve. Say clip we are showing us say yo, we're going our oven, so we clean our oven. I do a whole heap of thing before we leave today, we clean our oven. The grease I will use, the grease down and thing. So inside that the oven. As mother say my baby, for twin, you see me? So the grill, we take out the grill and we grease down the grill and thing. So we put in some work before we leave still, so as I can see we're at the end of the video, so who watch the video, remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Still can look out for some more video. As we are say, some family time and some Christmas thing we are dealing with and things. So tomorrow, prep for tomorrow thing. So prep grilled chicken for them and them do some chicken and green peas and chop up some fried chicken same way. So I don't know, so something my heart is say throughout every day when me at work. Always try to do better than your best. Cause your best is yet to come. We still gonna drop the videos. So anyways, we're off on our vacation.